Right, good morning everyone. This kit is for, and it's a large kit, is for Francine Levines. You asked about a yellow and white kit, so I've done this one, love, and hopefully it's everything you need. So that's Francis Levines. Now I've put in as much as I can, and let me know if you're interested in it, and I will get on with it now. So it's yellow and white. So I've put in the white cording, I've put in the gold cording because it is a yellow, but it's like a gold cording, a bit thicker, that one. Now hang on, because I'm going to put it into a different box, haven't I? Yeah, I should have done it the other way around. Okay, I've put in one of these canvas on an easel. This is the kit, so you know, if you want it, let me know. If you don't want it, let me know and I can pass it on to the next person. You're getting a pair of these appliques, so they face each other. I put this in because it's got yellow in it. You might not want to use it, but I've put it in. We've got a large lace cut doily. I made this tassel. It's a handmade tassel, a white one, chunky. I've put 4 of these in because they're continuous like that, but you can cut them up. Appliques, large ones. This beautiful, beautiful beaded one. Look at that. It's just stunning. So I pop that one in as well. Some yellow fabrics for you to play around with. I even put some of these in, yellow leaves, golden yellow. And I know you might think, what the f has she done that for? But a pair of yellow socks. These are what I make the dolls from. And if you haven't made one, they're fun. They really are fun to make. You can make one doll with one sock, but they come in a pair, so I've put that in as well. I know you're probably laughing and going, silly cow. This is one yellow flower kit. Feathers, trimmings, bling, and your stick pin, and all your beads that you need and your lace. So I've put that one in. Handmade flower in yellow. A large doily. Small one. Some yellow, it's like you can put your wire through it. You know, to make, if you're making a doll, you can make the arms bend and that. Now, I did choose this because it's white. You can take the beads off. I think they just peel off. But the trim's beautiful. So I've put that in. One of those appliques. Oh, 2 of those actually. The white cluster. We do have a video on how to make those if you're new to this channel. Some white roses. And they're kind of like a yellowish rose, so I've put those in as well. Oh, you're going to love this. Beautiful, look at that. Yep, that's in the kit as well. Then I've got some more appliques. Oops. Different ones. Butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful white trim. Look at that. Just stunning. Another white lace. The white gross grain ribbon. This is gorgeous. Stunning white embroidered organza. Some more which you can cut as appliques. This beautiful, this is the one I love doing my flowers with. So you've got that as well. Now I have to say, these kits, this one in particular is a large one. And you're getting an awful lot of goodies for your money. The chunky braid, Chinese braid. some gorgeous chenille wool to do if you're doing a tag or something. I've added one of these in. It is coming up Christmas, so you might want to make yourself a Christmas bauble. But with these you can do absolutely anything. You can paint the inside, make yourself a scene, add some little miniatures or whatever. Do whatever you like, or just put flowers in them and hang them. They look stunning. Some of this, which is gorgeous for making flowers, like a ribbed one. Let's have a look. Oops. 6 white roses. This gorgeous trim in white. That one in white. That's a vintage one. Sorry, that way. I just went through everything I had that was yellow and white. Well, a lot of things that I had were yellow and white. This one, just stunning. The eyelash. Another vintage one. Yellow ribbon. Beautiful one that you can cut all the flowers off or whatever you want. This vintage one. It is a genuine vintage trim. This beautiful, beautiful guipure. Oh, we got, I think I've already put, well, we've put this in anyway. Some more of those, one of those. And then, like I say, you have the white wired gross grain ribbon. And then some yellow fabric. Now that's not everything. So now I've done that one. And I'm only just going to be able to fit this lot in. These are your goodies. You got that one as well. Now I need to find somewhere to put this in. So I've given you some yellow stamen. I'm just going to pop that. You will get this little tub. Another one of these. That's just a small one. Let's have a look what we... Oh, look. I found that, which is like a... Yeah, it's like a goldy colour, so it's yellowish. But it's a vintage brooch. I have put in some diamante chain for you. One of those. 3 leaves. One of those. This is a stunning kit, folks. One of those. A crystal bead. Then you've got a mixture of flat pearls. Well, you can see in there, you've got a good mixture, you know, and these in white and in yellow. Those in yellow and white. You've got these clear in with gold, and you've got them... Oh no, it's these. You've got, where are they? Those hearts that can go on stick pins. You've got those in clear and in yellow. You've got some yellow leaves. So that's that lot, but I've not finished. We just put all of that to the side of me. And you've got this lot. So we've got the yellow pom-poms, which I thought you'd have fun playing with. There's another one there. Where did it go? There. Yeah. Some white roses. The larger ones and the smaller ones. White, and they're kind of like a yellowish, pale yellow lemon. So you have 3 of those and 3 of those. That one that I made as well. A crown, some keys, nice big key there. I put this in for you to cut the flowers off, because they make beautiful flower. Unless you want to wear it, it's brand new, never been worn. But I usually take these off for flowers. And then you're going to love this one. It is gorgeous, mind, I have to say. Look at that. Just beautiful. It was a brooch, I think it was, but it's, you know, we've just saved that to go on a project. So you've got that. You've got a little leprechaun. I put you 30 of the yellow beads in. You've got white ones of those. Then you've got that. And I also added in some chain for you to make something with it. Another key. And then you've got some bits and pieces in the bottom, some more keys. One of the staff flowers. Cabochon. Large bead. For you to play around with. So I hope, if you want it, let me know and I'll give you the price on it, okay? I did come across another crystal necklace. This does need soaking in warm soapy water and a very soft toothbrush going over it for it to bring out the sparkle again. It is a vintage one. So that's it. So that's for Francis Levines. If you're interested in this kit, let me know. If not, let me know and then I can offer it to other people. Okay? Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.